You can edit that.
Yeah, we probably edit this.
Why is this computer not connecting to the internet?
Oh man, my
Yeah, we turned on the computer.
So you want to know how to connect your computer to the internet.
Who are you?
I am a figment of your imagination.
And how do you connect the computer to the internet?
It's simple. All you need is an NIC.
What's an NIC?
NIC stands for Network Interface Card. They're used to connect a computer to the internet. Usually, they plug into the PCI slot on your motherboard. They connect to a network either using a wireless connection or an Ethernet cord. You can set up a LAN or local area network using Ethernet cords. By doing this, the computers on the network can communicate to each other and share information.
How do you install it?
It's pretty basic. All you need to do is open your computer, plug it into the correct slot, plug a network cable into it, then start your computer. By doing this, you are now able to connect your computer to a network, and your computer is now able to communicate to other computers on the network and access the internet.
Thank you, figment of my imagination. Wait, where do you go?
I'm out. We don't see your face or anything really much. Why not shorten it?